Hello family, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn how to make this headband. The things that we are going to use is a 50-gram yarn and a 4mm hook crochet. So we are going to take our yarn and leave a bit of an end and make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, we are going to do 61 chains. So for those who don't know how to make a chain, it's you yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. So we are going to do this 61 times. After making a total of 61 chain, we are going to skip the last chain and work on the second one. We skip the first one and work on the second one, and we are going to work half double crochets. So how to make a half double crochet: you yarn over, insert through, then yarn over and pull. When you have these 3 loops, yarn over and pull through. So that's how we are going to work it: yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through. We are going to do that until the end of this row. After making 60 half double crochets, we are going to chain 2, turn our work, then here we are going to do those gaps. So we are going to do double crochet. You yarn over, skip this first V, then work on the second one. And this one you should count, because if you miss a stitch or anything like that, you are not going to end up with the correct pattern until here, because here on the last stitch you are supposed to do a double crochet. So here we do a double crochet, yarn and pull through 2, then yarn and pull through 2, then you chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, work on the second one, chain 1, then work double crochet on the second one. So this is how you are going to work it, and you are supposed to have these double crochets, 30 double crochets. This one, if you decide to count the turning chain, you are supposed to have 31, but if you don't count this one and start from this one double crochet, you are supposed to have 30. So make sure that you count so that you don't end up with the wrong thing. So we are at the end of our second row. Still we are going to chain 2, turn our work. Now we are going to work half double crochets until the end of this row. So how we are going to work it is we do a half double crochet inside the space, then half double crochet on top of the double crochet. Two, in the space, then on top of the double crochet stitch, After working on this space, we are going to work on the chain 2 as our last half double crochet, because we are supposed to end up with 60 half double crochets. At the end here, still you chain 2 and turn your work. So here I want to give my headband a bit of a texture, so we are going to work half double crochets going this way, and this time round we are going to work on the back loop only. So we are going to do half double crochets, we are going to work this until the end. If you don't like how it looks like, because this is how it's going to give, if you don't like it, you can just do normal half double crochets like on both loop, but for me I'm going to work on the back loop only. After working on the half double crochets, now we are at the end. We are going to chain 2, turn our work. Now we are going to make this mesh again. We are going to repeat this row. So you yarn over, skip 1, work on the next one, and work double crochets. Chain 1, yarn over, work double crochet on the next one. Skip 1, work on the other one. So we are going to do this until the end of this row. Here at the end of the row, this is how big it's going to be. Now we are going to work on the last row. So you chain 2, turn your work, and then work half double crochets like we did on this row. You work your half double crochet inside the space, then you work on the double crochets, you work on top of this double crochet. Then you work your half double crochet in the space. After you are done working with the last row, this is how your headband should be. Now we are going to work on the straps on the sides, because you cannot wear it like that, and I'm not going to work with it like a circle. So at the end here, we are going to chain 1. Now on this row we did 6 plus the chains that we did on the start. It's going to make all the rows 7. So we are going to work on each row. So after chaining 1, this is the last row that we did. We are going to do a single crochet here, like that. That is 1. So we did this mesh, all the double crochet. Now we are going to work our second stitch here. Oh, we are supposed to do single crochet. I think I did the wrong. So we are going to work the first single crochet on the last row that we did. So then on the mesh, all double crochet, that is 2. Then we are going to work on this other row, the half double crochet, 3. Now we work on this other row, 4. Then on the mesh, then on this row, Then we are going to work on the chains that we did first. Like that. So we did 7 single crochet in total. So we are going to chain 1, turn our work, then we are going to reduce a chain on every row that we are going to do. We are going to skip this last stitch and work on this one. So skip that one and work single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Then we chain 1, turn our work. Now here we are supposed to do 5. So we skip the last stitch and work on the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So chain 1, turn, and now we are supposed to work 4. So that's how we are supposed to do it. Skip this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, turn, skip the first one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, turn, skip the last one. 1, 2. Chain 1, turn, skip this one, then work on the last one. Here we are still just going to work chains until you feel satisfied. So for me, I'm going to work 20 plus chains. So I did 25 chains in total. So I'm going to cut the yarn. Now we are going to work on the other side and you are going to do the same. So this is how it's going to look like. It's very pretty. Thank you guys for watching until here. I hope you enjoyed and you understood. If you have any question, you can comment down below. And thank you for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.